Here's how to fix Epic Games login error. First, open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key. Search for Run and open the Run application. In the Run window, type % local app data % and press OK. Now, scroll through the folders and find the Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher folders. These folders contain cache files, so you can safely delete them. Select both folders, right-click, and choose the Delete option. If Windows doesn't let you delete these folders, the Epic Games Launcher is probably still running in the background. To close it, go to the Start menu and open Task Manager. Use the search box to search for Epic. Look for any processes related to the Epic Games Launcher and close them. Once you've ended those processes, return to the local app data folder and try deleting the Epic Games folders again. After that, open the Epic Games Launcher and try logging into your account again. If you're still unable to log in, move on to the next method. Open the Start menu, search for a Control Panel, open it. Here, select Uninstall a program. Use the search box to find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher and select Repair. The repair process may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, open the Epic Games Launcher again and try signing in. If the login problem continues, go to your desktop and locate the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked. Then, Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then select OK to save the changes. Now, launch the Epic Games Launcher and check if you can log in successfully. If none of these methods work, the final option is to completely uninstall and reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. Open the Start menu and search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Once the launcher has been removed from your computer, download and install the latest version again from the official Epic Games website. After reinstalling the launcher, open it and try logging into your Epic Games account again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.